The Breakroom Image Viewer allows you to upload still images and display them in your world. You can also create clickable images that will direct users to a website of your choice. To add an image viewer to your region, go into the region editor, find the Breakroom Image Viewer object in your inventory list, and place the object into the region and click Save. To select the image you want to display and configure the image viewer's URL settings, you'll need to access the administration panel. The administration panel is only accessible to the object owner and region administrators. Let's go through the different configuration options in the administration panel. Click on the Breakroom Image Viewer and then click the Open Admin button. The image preview shows a preview of the image currently selected for display. Adding a URL to this clickable link field will make the image panel clickable as a web link object. Without a URL, clicking the image panel will do nothing. The Save button will save the selected settings. The Upload Image button will allow you to upload a new image from your computer. The image library will allow you to select a previously uploaded image. To resize an image viewer while maintaining the proper aspect ratio, hold down the Shift key while dragging the scaling gizmo. This will allow you to make the image viewer larger or smaller without distorting the image. For optimum performance, images have a 5 MB size limit. We recommend that image files used for signage or decorative purposes be no longer than 1024 pixels along one side.